So today we're going to discuss how to get the standard equation and general form of a circle. So dapat nating alamin yung tatlong formulas for circle. If the center rather is at the origin, we will be using standard form x squared plus y squared is equivalent to radius squared. Pero pag yung ating center ay naka-place sa any point or h and k, may siyang x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equivalent to r squared. And then, if we are going to get the general form, the expanded form of the standard equation, we'll be using x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. So, itong tatlo po ang ating main formulas. So, number 1, for example, find the standard equation of the following. Ano ba yon? So, number 1, what if you are given the center of positive 2 and negative 3 and then with a radius of 2 units? So, gamitin natin dito, since the center is at h and k, paano natin nalamang h and k? Kasi pag ang center niya is hindi 0, automatically h and k yan. So, gamitin natin is itong, this is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. We're going to use the equation 2. Ang gagawin natin, we're going to simply substitute and change the sign of the given. May siyang x. Ito yung, sa 2 and negative ng x dito is the 2. Lagi na una and y yan. Because sa set of ordered pair, una ang x, last ang y. Hindi pa pwede mauna ang y at x. That is incorrect. X, since positive 2, may siyang minus 2 squared plus y, since minus to, plus 3 squared is equivalent to 2 squared, which is 4. So, ito na. Which is the standard equation. Number 2, you are given the standard equation. So, you're given rather the general equation. Find the standard equation. For example, you have x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 6y plus 2 is equal to 0. We'll be using the easiest method, the one-step method, the shortcut method. Unang step, lagyan natin yan ng parenthesis, dalawang parenthesis. Of course, pag standard equation, may isang x, may isang y. To get yung value dito, yung nasa loob niyan, we need to divide into 2 the 8x. 8x divided by 2, naging siyang positive 4x. So, plus 4 na lang yan. Ito naman, negative 6 divided by 2, negative 3. And to solve yun dito, we need to transpose to the other side, another equation, negative 2. Tapos yung i-add natin dito, ito muna, 4 squared ilan yan? 16. Plus, negative 3 squared, pira yan? 9. Diba? So, mayigil siyang 16 plus 9, 25 minus 2, 23. So, this is your standard equation. General form to standard equation. Para natin malalaman kung tama yung ating sagot, we need to expand this. Expand natin siya para malaman natin kung tama yung sagot. Kailangan yung lalabas dito is yung given. Ito. Expand x squared plus 4 times 2 plus x, 8x plus 16 plus expand sa y naman, may siyang y squared minus 6y plus 9 transpose sa kabila minus 23 is equal to 0. And then, combine like terms, may siyang arrange natin x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 6y 16 plus 9, 25 minus 23 plus 2 is equal to 0. Same ba sa given? Same. So, automatically, this is correct. Okay? So, tama siya. For number 3, so let us find the general form. This is, for example, number 3. You are given, for example, x minus 2 squared plus y plus 4 squared is equivalent to 16. Let's use the manual method. Expand natin siya. May siyang x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared plus 8y plus 16. Transpose sa kabila, minus 16 is equal to 0. Cancel to additive inverse. Pag 16 minus 16, that is called additive inverse. So, may siyang arrange na term x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 8y. Natira tong constant, copy plus 4 is equal to 0. This is your general equation. How to check kung tama? Di gawin natin standard form. So, ginawa natin kanina shortcut, take isang square, isang x, isang y, kalahati ng negative 4, negative 2, kalahati ng 8, positive 4. And then ito, kabila yan, transpose. So, negative 4 plus negative 2 squared 4, cancel, plus 4. Is equivalent to, rather this is, 4 times 4, ito 4 squared, 16. So, na-cancel to negative 4 plus 16, so equals to 16. Same ba sa given? Same. So, automatically, this is correct. Okay po. So, what if we have for example, nakagiven is center in radius. For example, the center is 2 and 1, and the radius is 2 root of 2. First step, gawin natin standard form. So, may siyang x minus 2 squared, change the sign, plus y minus 1 y squared, equals to, what is 2 square root of 2 squared? Ano to? Distribute natin yan, may siyang x minus 2 squared plus y minus 1 squared is equivalent to 2 times 2, 4. Square root of 2 times square root of 2, cancel the radical. 4 times 2, 8. So, this is the standard equation. Kuha natin siyang general equation. May siyang x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared minus 2y plus 1 minus 8 equal to 0. Combine like terms, x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 2y. 4 plus 1, 5 minus 8, negative 3 is equal to 0. This is your general form. And let us solve o check. Paano natin malalaman kung tama yung sagot? Let us get the standard form. So, standard form nito, shortest trick to. Yan. Isang x, isang y. Kalahati ng negative 4x minus 2. Negative 2. Kalahati ng negative 2y minus 1. Ito, lipat sa kabila. Another equation, 3 plus negative 2 squared 4 plus 1 negative 1 squared 1 equivalent to positive 8. So, same ba dito? Same. So, automatically, this general form is correct. So, yun lang po at maraming salamat.